Hello, this is Victor at RestoreYourMercedes.com. This video is for Hartmann Motors in Oregon. Just want to show the progress, what's going on here with the repairs of throttle bodies and Egas modules that came from a 95 SL600. Okay, gentlemen, so I did manage to fix this module, which is great news. This is the one that was halfway dead. It's the one with these blue markings on the case, and that is the one that activated, but it didn't work, so I made it work. There was some damage inside, but hopefully that would be the end of it. I got parts from this module. This is another module that didn't work. This module had some sort of an explosion or some sort of... It's ridiculous. I never seen anything like this in these modules. This is clear, like... Jesus, I don't even know. It's like... I don't know. It's just something like really caught fire in there. I didn't see anything on the others. I mean, it's all black. So, but good news is that some parts that I needed, I could transfer over to this module. So that at least it actually had some use case for it. And this is another module. I didn't really go and do anything with it because again, it takes time to work on this module, and it's like I figured like I'm not gonna go there. Besides the parts needed, so no good. Anyway, so I got this module done. Now the throttle bodies work, both of them at this point. As you can see, they work in sync with each other. So that's good news. So there is nothing, I see nothing wrong with throttle body. Although, like I said, this is a small bolt case throttle. It's a good idea to overhaul the motor on this one. This is the big bolt case. This is different. This is from 93, 94 model. This is 95 model only. And I need replacement throttle. But this one has old motor and this one has new motor. So these usually fail. So let me show you temperatures here just so you see. Hey, come on. You finally died. No. Okay, 78 degrees on the module. Oh, no, it's not. It's not working right. Oh, God. Alright, well, the battery is very weak. I gotta get 9-volt battery for this thermometer. So see, throttle bodies are being pushing 90s. For comparison, a cold throttle body is around 73. Cold Egas. Room temperature, as you can see. Room temperature. And this one somewhere in 80s. The one on the bottom is probably warm too because this one lays on top of that one. And throttles, of course, about 90. So they have been working for a while. You cannot just have them warm up like this in 5 to 10 minutes. It takes hours to get them hot because aluminum dissipates heat well. Let's take a look what we see on our live readings here. So these are the readouts that the Star Diagnostic sees out of Egas module. So let's put this on idle and let's see what we got. Okay, yeah, it's coming up. There's a little bit of a difference here. I see 439, 429, 0.1 volt. It's kind of weird, to be honest with you. It's a little weird. Usually they're supposed to be pretty much even. It's not critical, but those readouts have to be pretty much exactly even. See, like right now, 2.66, 2.66. That's the actual throttle plate. 199 usually is the max they open at. Yeah, this one. But again, you got two different throttles here. Newer and older, so there might be a little bit of a discrepancy there. I wouldn't really be concerned too much for that voltage change. 4.39, and the one on top is, see, that one is 429, 4.39, 0.1 volt exactly. Although when you open them, let's see what we have. Slightly open throttle, 3.35 on the bottom one, passenger side. Driver side 3.31. That's pretty close. That shouldn't be a problem, to be honest with you. most importantly, both throttles work in sync, and both throttles potentiometers change. So the value, voltage is changed on both potentiometers on each unit. So this is the secondary voltage is the potentiometer, second potentiometer. Actually, that's a primary one, but whatever. We just need our throttle plates to be very even. Not evil, I'm sorry. Evil system, but not evil voltage. So this is where we are right now. I'm feeling pretty confident. Weather is rainy today in New York, so I won't be able to put this module in any car to test it out because I don't want to get wet. But I might make another video with these units connected to a vehicle, and just to show. Maybe I'll even put this module in the test car, and my girlfriend will drive that car about 30 miles, just for good measure. It's a good test, and then that's gonna prove it that the module is fine, and it's gonna give it a good workout because it's going to be together with other computers that warm up very well. It doesn't warm up as much as it would if it's installed in a computer box inside the vehicle. So right now it's on the bench, air circulation, no other modules heating it up, so that will be a good test. In terms of throttle bodies, that is to be determined whichever way you want me to proceed with them. If you want me to open this module, but then a sticker has to be broken, a warranty sticker from previous repair, so I don't know if this is something that you would want me to do. So you avoid your warranty, maybe we should leave it alone and just install the setup back in the vehicle and call it a day. If something happens with that unit, the company who fixed it for you should fix it back again. Alright, so I'll call it quits. This is about all I wanted to show in this video. So this is good news, and I most likely will make another one when these all three are installed on the vehicle, connected to the car. At least I can show you that they activate and they work. Alright, so this is all for me. This is Victor at thestorymercedes.com. Thank you for watching.